As one of the largest and fastest growing universities in the country, Grand Canyon University serves over 25,000 traditional students at its campus in Phoenix, Arizona, and over 92,000 online students across the country. GCU has 10 learning sites for its accelerated Bachelor of Science in Nursing program in flourishing nursing markets, including Sandy, Utah, Albuquerque, New Mexico, Henderson, Nevada, St. Louis, Missouri, Meridian, Idaho, and Lake Mary, Florida, as well as Phoenix, Chandler, Sun City, and Tucson in Arizona. Each of these sites are designed with the latest technology, such as our immersive simulation suites, allowing students to complete their accelerated Bachelor of Science in Nursing from an accredited institution in as few as 16 months.
When I found GCU, it just kind of worked out great. They were really quick at getting back to me. They were really quick with giving me information about the program and allowing me to get right into it. 2 feet in cold water, so I like to say. That was perfect because I wanted to get back to my family. I wanted to get back into working.
Honestly, the faculty has been some of the best part of this whole process. They have made everything from my transition from where I was to here just wonderful and smooth. Their communication's been incredible.
It's been really, really helpful to know that they're always here. They're always willing to help us. And if we have any questions, we can just walk into their offices.
They're prepared every week. They know exactly what they want to get across. They pour their heart and souls into the program just as much as we do.
This program has multiple aspects to it that prepare you in different ways.
The sim labs have been so helpful. I didn't really know what to expect. It prepped us for clinicals and having real life patients. The mannequins talk to you. They have a pulse, they have a blood pressure. So it was really nice being able to get that real life experience before it's an actual human.
We are actually put in a position where we have to think and act, which is a really fun, but it challenges you. It makes you feel good because after you're finished with your simulation, you sit down with your professors and say, what could I have done better? And what did you learn from this? I walk out of them much more confident in my abilities.
Everyone knows us by our purple scrubs, so when we would go into our clinicals, people knew who we were. And
the nursing staff, knowing that they're getting GCU students, they're happy because they know that these students have drive. These students have a purpose. They want to make a difference.
It is not just for one type of person in the world. It is for everyone, no matter where you come from or who you are or your belief system or culture or anything. They are welcoming to everyone and anyone, and they will help to bring everyone and anyone into their programs so they can get a good education.
This program for me definitely encapsulates what I was looking for, which was getting through it quickly, being able to focus, being able to work really hard, and then seeing success as I was going along.
I would recommend the school to anyone who wants to go through the nursing program.
GCU's Accelerated Bachelor of Science in Nursing offers start dates 3 times a year, so you don't have to wait. Apply now at gcu.edu/ABSN and get started on your path to a career as a nurse today.